Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I just finished uploading a grocery haul, so I'll show you guys what I'll be cooking pretty much for the next 2 weeks. And today I will be meal prepping maybe the eggs and the stuff that we will be eating for lunch. I try not to prep the meals for the entire week because that takes up a lot of space in the fridge, but when I do it, I usually do 1 or 2 meals. I'll just go ahead and do that ahead of time, but for sure always the lunch and what we're gonna eat for breakfast, because if I don't have something ready, I'll just go ahead and just find something for me to eat in the morning. Also, last week I ordered some collagen and MCT oil to add to my coffee. I am adamant about drinking my coffee with the creamer that I get from Aldi. I'm gonna miss it, but I will be making bulletproof coffee from now on every single morning. So let me show you the stuff that I will be adding to my coffee. So pretty much when you make bulletproof coffee, it asks for you to put a tablespoon of butter in there, which is, I know it sounds crazy, but it asks you to put butter, either half and half or heavy whipping cream. It doesn't ask for you to add this. Some people do add this in there, which I do want to, not just for my skin and my nails, but also for my bones as well. Y'all, the older I get, I swear everything in my body is just changing. And then some MCT oil to add some brain and body fuel, which you will definitely need, because I noticed by day 4, I would say about a week, I noticed I have like this brain fog and I can't think straight for some reason. So I will make sure that I add this in there as well. So that is how I will be drinking my coffee every single day. So if you guys like, I will add the how to make bulletproof coffee down in my description box, just in case you guys want to go ahead and try it out. But this is optional. You don't have to add that in there. So I just want to add it in there, because if not, I would just take the vitamins. But if I could just add it in my coffee, that's even better. So this is what I'll be using. And I also ordered an immersion, that little blender for you to froth your coffee. I ordered that as well, but it's supposed to be getting here today. All right, y'all, so I'm getting ready to make the egg bites, and I have my muffin pan with the silicone muffin things in there. And these are the ingredients that you will use. So it asks for cheese, ham, salt, a little baking powder, and some heavy whipping cream. But it doesn't ask for spinach, but I like spinach, so I'm going to add spinach in there as well. And remember, all of the recipes is in my January link down in my description box. Egg cups, you guys, was so good. It only lasted 2 days, and I actually doubled the recipe when you guys see me making it right here, and it only lasted 2 days. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to add more veggies to that next time, and then I'm going to quadruple the recipe, because even my husband loved it, and he's kind of picky sometimes when it comes to like actual breakfast stuff, because he actually doesn't like to eat breakfast, and he actually loved it and ate some for snack, and so did my kids. So I will be quadrupling the recipe, and then I'm going to be adding some onions and bell peppers and stuff like that on there.
You're like a painting hanging on my every wall. Baby, you save me, you give me all and a little more. I can't live without you. Yeah. I can't.
I get asked about them all the time, but these silicone muffin cups, I got them from Amazon. They were pretty cheap.
I was roaming through the dark, baby. Ooh, you keep making it shine. I'm in love with how you talk, baby. My ears craving the sound. Yeah. You're like a painting hanging on my every move. Baby, you save me, you give me all and a little more. Yeah. I can't
So the 12 eggs made, how many is on here? 4, 8, 12. Okay, so about 18. Next time I'm gonna make sure that I add like 2-3 more eggs so it can, like, you know, so I can make 24. But I don't think that's so bad. I actually forgot to add the spinach. So some of them will have spinach and some of them won't. You can get pretty creative with these. You can add onions and bell peppers and stuff like that if that's what you like. So now I'm getting ready to bake it in.
I would grip my arms so tight around you.
So now I'm getting ready to make some sausage and veggies. So I got some broccoli over here, onion, some squash, and some sausages. And I have the recipe in my description box with where it says January sheet pan meals. And this is what this was supposed to look like. Which sheet pan meals is actually one of my favorite ones to do besides slow cooker meals because they're so easy and you don't use up a lot of pans.
It's not my fault. You've been lying, saying that I took away your peace. Drowning by yourself, now you wanna blame me. Like you have no options. I ain't take your options. Now I'm not the problem, man, that's on you, yeah. You've been terrorizing me, yeah, I'm always wrong. I knew you lost your mind when you dropped that bomb. Girl, are you crazy? Yeah, you must be crazy. I've been thinking lately it's you.
Alright guys, so I have all of the vegetables and the sausages cut up, so now we gotta mix it together and add the seasonings and the olive oil.
Lying like a ride, but take your stuff back. Baby, it's you. And I would never hear. You've been flexing everywhere. Girl, look in the mirror. Man, you're so dirty. Yeah, you look so dirty. You were never worthy. Lately, it's you. You stole your peace, put it on me. But baby, it's you. Lying like a ride, but take your stuff back. Baby, it's you.
So I have the muffins in a container, so I'm just waiting for them to cool off all the way before I put them in the fridge. One of my kids is waiting to eat one of these, so I'm about to give him some. So the food is out of the oven, and this is what's left over because I put my husband's lunch food to the side in this meal prepping containers, and you can find these at Walmart.
Then I would change the honey.